Celebrating your baby's first birthday is a milestone filled with joy and excitement. As a parent, you want to make this day as special as possible. Here are some tips to help you plan a memorable celebration. Start by choosing a theme that reflects your baby's personality or interests. Whether it's a favorite cartoon character or a simple color scheme, a theme can tie everything together and make planning easier. Next, consider the guest list. Keep it intimate with close family and friends to ensure a comfortable environment for your little one. Remember, it's about celebrating your baby's first year, so focus on those who have been part of this journey. When it comes to decorations, simplicity is key. Balloons, banners, and a few themed items can create a festive atmosphere without overwhelming your baby. Safety is paramount, so avoid small decorations that could pose a choking hazard. Plan the timing of the party around your baby's schedule. A well-rested baby is a happy baby, so consider hosting the party after a nap to ensure your little one is in good spirits. For the menu, think about finger foods that are easy for both adults and little ones to enjoy. A small cake or cupcakes can be a fun way for your baby to experience their first taste of birthday cake. Capture the memories with photos and videos. These moments are precious, and you'll want to look back on them for years to come. Consider hiring a photographer or asking a friend to help document the day. Finally, remember that the most important part of this celebration is the love and joy shared with your baby. Keep the focus on creating happy memories and enjoying this special time together.